dog, dog. The word dog has variation too. I'll show a few different signs. Me, I sign dog, dog, dog. It's kind of like you're snapping at a dog to say, come here, look at me. Similar. A second way, dog, dog. So you start by tapping your hip, again, like you're calling a dog to come over to you. Dog, dog. A third way, dog. A D into a G. It's similar to fingerspelling D-O-G, but there's no O. Dog, dog, dog. A fourth way, dog, dog. It's like the ears on a dog. Dog. Again, dog, 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 dog. Now, question. Have dog you? Do you have a dog? You can sign yes, have dog, me. I have a dog. A different video teaches the sign have. Up there and down there you'll find the link. Have a dog, you? Comment. Let me know your dog. What's its name? And maybe your dog is how old? How old? Comment and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to learn more ASL, don't forget to click like, plus subscribe. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.